Home remedies for swollen feet. Do you know anyone who suffers from swollen feet? Swollen feet is not a problem itself, but points to a deeper issue. This usually happens when there's a buildup of fluid in the tissue, making them swell. This is known as edema. As the swelling gets worse, it gets more uncomfortable and it may become hard to walk or stand. It can also get more painful, and the feet may be red. Looking for a cure? Here are some things you can try at home to bring the swelling down. Home remedies for swollen feet. Contrast hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is therapy using water to lessen pain and discomfort. For this type of hydrotherapy, you will use both warm and cold water. The warm water will help blood flow, and the cold water will bring down the swelling in your feet. Massage. One of the best cures for swollen feet is a foot massage. This helps aching muscles and gets the blood flowing. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can bring down swelling very fast, while soothing pain too. This is because it has magnesium sulfate, which can be soaked up by the skin to help the blood flow and bring down the swelling. It also helps sore, tired muscles, and can kill foot odor. Ginger. Since ginger is a natural diuretic, it brings down the amount of water in the body, and helps treat swollen feet. This is because it lessens the sodium in the body, which is a big cause of swelling. Dandelion. Dandelion is a great cure for swollen feet. It helps the body absorb extra fluids because of its diuretic quality. It also helps keep track of the sodium level in the body. Exercise. Exercising often is important to stop your feet from swelling. Exercise helps blood flow and stops blood from building up in your lower limbs. Magnesium. Magnesium. If your body is missing magnesium, that may cause swelling in the feet due to edema. Make sure to eat foods that are full of magnesium to help fight this problem. Here are some other tips to cure swollen feet. Elevate your legs so that they are higher than the level of your heart. Limit the amount of salt and caffeine you have, because they cause feet to swell. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables, instead of canned goods, which have added salt for storage. Drink lots of water to keep your body hydrated and clean out bad bacteria. Avoid sitting for long hours. Instead, take breaks and walk around a bit. When taking long trips in a car, bus, train, or plane, think about wearing compression stockings to stop feet from swelling. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.